Welcome to our latest discussion. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll be exploring a critical issue facing the manufacturing industry today, the labor shortage crisis. We'll be shedding light on the reasons behind this crisis, its potential impacts, and the innovative solutions that could turn the tide. We'll also discuss how automation and training can help address this problem. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned as we navigate through this thought-provoking topic. Let's talk about a reality that the manufacturing industry is facing today. Many manufacturing jobs are physically demanding and often dangerous. In fact, in 2020 alone, more than 135,000 work-related accidents and injuries were reported in manufacturing. And let's be honest, the younger generation entering the workforce is more attracted to desk jobs that offer flexibility and the option to work remotely. Here's a shocking fact. According to the National Association of Manufacturers, the skills gap in the industry could result in 2.1 million unfilled jobs by 2030. Many people I've spoken to, who are working on the ground, are experiencing shortages in both operator and maintenance positions within their facilities, and they're struggling to solve the problem. Why is this happening? Well, for decades, our society has looked down upon vocational career paths. Many blue-collar jobs remain vacant while students line up for college. High schools, which were often the first place where students learned about the trades, have cut vocational training programs, with only one-third providing any introductory training to blue-collar professions. Parents often steer their children towards white-collar jobs, which, ironically, are now experiencing massive layoffs and fewer opportunities. Changing this societal attitude and the training that must follow will take time. And time is something we don't have. Right now, we're experiencing a recession in white-collar work. White-collar workers are experiencing more layoffs, high unemployment rates, and increased competition for fewer openings. Compare that to manufacturing, where there is virtually no unemployment, and turnover rates are as high as 40%. That means we're trying to replace our entire workforce every 2.5 years. It's impossible to even maintain current manufacturing needs with that level of churn, much less grow into the future. Add to this the worker shortages and high turnover rates, and the rapid rate of change and technological advancements in the manufacturing world. And you can see why I believe it's impossible to hire and train our way out of this growing problem. So, what's the solution? Automation and innovation. There's been some fear of automation from manufacturing workers. The idea that robots are going to take all the jobs has been a sensitive topic, but we've reached a point when further automation and innovation will be the only way out of our current labor problem. It's time to automate as many low-skill, repetitive jobs as possible. We're starting to see manufacturers make major investments in robotics and innovation. The concept of lights-out manufacturing, where mass production occurs with very limited human intervention, has been around since 1980, but needs to grow more rapidly. While robotic systems can initially be expensive, they decrease operational costs and increase efficiency over time. We need to take these technologies more seriously and abandon our short-term fix of simply throwing more people at the problem. It's time to invest in the long-term solution and really embrace innovation. This idea might sound scary to those working in the industrial sector right now. No one wants to worry about their job getting automated away. But remember, there will be 2.1 million unfilled jobs within the next several years. Some of these positions might be filled through automation, but many require a skilled human being. There are vast opportunities for more fulfilling, higher skill, and higher paying jobs for those working in the industry today. The second phase of the solution, in addition to investing in innovation, is investing in those who are currently in the field. We need to find opportunities to upskill, train, and educate those employees working in low-paying, low-skill positions so they can advance in their careers and serve our manufacturing companies in ways that only human beings can. That requires developing internal training programs, taking advantage of industry or community vocational schools, and supporting a cultural change both within our factories and our society. We've spent long enough trying to solve the problem of our ongoing labor shortage using hiring and retention tactics. It's time to face the reality that there are simply not enough young people entering the current manufacturing space to fill the growing number of positions. We need a new approach. We need to accelerate our focus on innovation, automation, and robotics. We need to truly invest in those technologies that can do those repetitive, low-skill tasks better and more efficiently than humans. And then we need to invest in our people, helping them to upskill, problem solve, and excel in those jobs that only humans can do. By taking this approach, we'll make our manufacturing facilities more efficient, safer, and more cost-effective, while providing higher-skilled, higher-paying positions for our people, allowing them to increase their earning potential and improve their quality of life. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the labor shortage crisis in the manufacturing industry, the reasons behind it, and the solutions involving automation and training. If you found this content valuable, subscribe to our channel. For more resources and to learn how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions.